Hello and welcome guys, and today we will discuss about the second part of the bitwise operator, because today we will discuss the left shift operator, right shift operator, and XOR operator. So now that's all the cover in this lecture. So without any further delay, now let's get started. So you can see this is my left shift operator, and now what is the left shift operator? Suppose A is equals to the 4, and here you can, this is a sign of the left shift operator. Now when you use the now left shift operator like this, and this is a my left shift operator, and a left double left shift operator, and is equals to the 16, because 4, what is the binary of 4? Now you can see explanation, this is my explanation. What is the binary of 4? Now 4 binary is the 100, and add 2 bits. Now here I adding the 2 bits. Now shift 2 bits, that means 10000, and it means this is the binary of the 16. So my answer is the 16. Now how to calculate without convert into binary? Then there we go, you can see this is my trick. And now what is, suppose now what is the expression? Suppose now you can see left shift operator when you use, then your expression looks like this. Okay, now n is the number of bits which you want to shift the binary. Okay, now here this is my formula. You can see this is my formula: var multiply and 2 exponential of the n. That means suppose you want to calculate the 12 left shift by the 4, and then 12 and 2 to 2 exponent of the 4, and 12 multiply, and this is the answer of the 16. And now 12 multiply the 16, so answer is the 192. Now you can see, and so that's this is a very simple trick, and when you use that, and then you can find it. Now this is my left shift operator. When we're talking about the right shift operator, so now the right shift operator is a very similar to left shift operator. It Now you can see what is the sign of the right shift operator. This is my right shift operator. Now you suppose a is equals to the 20, and a right shift the 2, that means you convert the firstly decimal to binary and trunk the 2 bits. Okay, when n bits, suppose here 3, then 3 bits, uh, you can remove this. Now here you can see what is the binary of the 4. Sorry for that, this is not a 4. And so this is my 20. Okay, I think you got it. And so this is a 20. Now here I'll remove the 2 bits. Okay, so what is the answer? So this is my answer is the 5. Now you can see. And yeah, that's all about. Now when you use the trick for the right shift operator, then it's now expression looks like this. And this is my formula: var divided by 2 exponential of the n. So suppose you want to calculate the 12 and right shift of the 3, then 12 divided by 2 exponential of the 3, and then what is the answer? 12 divided by 8, so answer is will be 1. Okay, I think you got it. So this is my right shift operator. And when we're talking about the what is the XOR operator, because it's a very important for the coding point of view. So if you not understand, then it's very complicated in the upcoming videos. Okay, now you can see in the programming language. So this is my truth table. How is it works? Now suppose what is the binary value of the any variable, true or false, and 0 means, I'll show you. 0 means false, and 1 means true. I think you got it. And now you can see this is my 0 and 0. Now when both are the variable is 0, then when you want to calculate the a XOR b, and then it returns the 0. And when one variable 0 and second one is the 1, and then it returns the 1. When 1 and 0, then returns the 1, and 1 and 1, and then it returns the 0. It means when the both variable are the same value, then it returns the 0. Otherwise, when the both variables values are different, and then it returns the 1. I think you simply got it. Suppose this is a my 5, and here this is my 6, and now a XOR b. So what is the answer? Our answer is the 3. But how? Now explanation. There we go. You can. I'll explain you how to calculate the computer of the XOR. So then now you can see this is a binary of the 5 101, and this is a binary of 6 110. Now you can see 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 1 0 1, and 1 1 and 0. Now what 5 and XOR when you use want to calculate, then it gives the 3 binary, because 0 1 1 is the binary of 3. So this is all about my theory part. So it's time to go on the VS Code and write the some code for that operator. So guys, here I can use the left shift operator, and after that cover the all the operators. Okay, so now you can see a is equals to, suppose we have the 4, and now when when I use the print and then a and left shift operator of the byte the 2, so what is the answer? So please write the comment for that, and what is the answer of that. Now you can see, so answer will be 2 to 4 and 16 is my answer, because so binary of that. Now because we have the formula, what is the formula? Now you can see, so formula is a and multiply and 2 multiply, and so this is the answer is the 16. I think you got it. So when we click on the run button, now you can see, so this is my answer. So 16 is my answer. Okay. So this is a left shift operator, and firstly copy that. And when you want to copy it, when you want to duplicate these lines, then you can use the control D in the VS Code. Then you can simply duplicate the code. Okay, and now this is my right shift operator, and suppose here we have the 20, and what is the binary of that? Now it is, I don't need to, because I directly calculate with the formula. Now here I can use the right shift operator, and here is only simple use the divide form, and here no, now here I can use the 2 to 2 2 right shift. Then it's very simple, because 20 and 4, and so 5 is the my answer, because it's a 4 and a is the 20, so what is the answer is the 5. So when we click on the run button, now there we go, you can see this is my 5 is the my correct answer. Okay, I think you got it. And again we can use the code for the XOR operator. Now this is my XOR. So what is the XOR? How to, suppose this is my suppose 0, and b is equals to the 1. Okay, now when you use the print A XOR B, and so what is the answer? Now you can see, and so answer is the 1, because you can see, it's about the XOR operator. When the both are bits true, yeah, you can see both are the bits are same, then it returns the false. Otherwise it returns the true, because both are the bits are different, then it returns the 1. Suppose now here we have the both are variables value is the 0, then when we click the run button, now it returns the 0. So it is a basic definition of the XOR operator. Suppose you want to calculate the what is the binary, what is the XOR A XOR B, then it's very simple. So answer is the 3, because I'll show you how to. I'll show you. Now you can see, this is my this is my this is my example. So I want to calculate the binary of the 5 and binary of the 6, and when you calculate the 5 XOR 6, then 1 0 and 1 0 and 1 1 and 1 1 and 0. So this is my XOR operator. And so yeah, that's all about the my bitwise operator. And if you have any query, then go on the comment section and please write the comment for me. And yeah, your comment treat as a medicine for me, and so that's why. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and we will meet in the next video.